If you choose to join us on our Food Science and Technology degree programme, you will find that we try to get you involved in lots of hands-on laboratory work to reinforce the theory that we teach. You will undertake work in our chemistry and microbiology labs, but many of your practicals will be in our dedicated food processing laboratory. This laboratory contains a variety of food processing and manufacturing equipment, small scale, but representative of the technology that industry uses. So let me hand you over to my colleague Jenny Slack, a senior lecturer and one of our course leaders, who's going to take you on a tour of the food lab.
So our first piece of equipment here is the pasteurizer. So we can get raw milk from down in the fields, down from local farmers will supply us with raw milk, and we can pasteurize our own milk. So not only do you get to see the process and how it works, we also use that milk to make other products, things like butter and cream, cheese, ice cream, any dairy products that we want to make. All our equipment you'll see as we're going around is on small scale, so it works as the industry works, the food industry works, and it is just a much smaller version. We know it as pilot plant, but everything works in an identical way. So over to here, we have different pieces of equipment. The depositor, so it enables us to inject products like donuts with jam, for example, or to make up trays of meals, things like lasagna, for different products. But one of our favourite bits of kit is this piece here, which is a brewing kit, so we can make our own beer and lager. And I have some here that the students made this year, so cheers everybody, let's pour some. So this bit of machinery here is a retort, which actually enables us to can different products. So we can sterilise products, things like soup, baked beans, really popular for canning, okay, and we can also use foil pouches and sterilise products that way as well. So many products we can actually can. This is a cream separator, so that milk that we got from the dairy that we pasteurise, we can bring over here and actually separate it into cream and skim milk for actual use for other products, or just use this as it is, which goes very nicely with this bit of kit here, which is our pie maker. Who doesn't want a pie, a fruit pie and some cream? Okay, so we make our own fruit pies, we make our own meat pies, and this is the bit of kit that does it. Okay, over here we have all cheese making equipment. So this is the cheese vat where we make our own cheese, again using the raw milk that comes up from the dairies. We have the presses, so we can make our own double Gloucester, red Leicester, cheddar, Wensleydale, any cheese that we choose. Popular at Christmas is Stilton as well. And here's some cheese that the students have made last year. It's actually meant to be mouldy. It's a mature cheddar cheese, traditionally made, which is why you see the mould on the outside. And I'm going to show you some inside, which is really, really delicious. So this is known as grading the cheese, where we take part of the middle out, and you can see the inside of the cheese there. And the way we grade it, we actually check the texture, we smell it, it smells like a cheddar, and then we take a piece off. Delicious. Okay, top cheese there. We do enter competitions as well, and our cheese gets widely recognised across different cheese manufacturers. Around here to the packaging machinery, so we can package any product in any way at all. So we have the modified atmosphere unit here, and also vacuum packing to allow us to put any gas into the product and extend the shelf life. We also have the facility to package into trays as well, and that's this machine here that heat seals it for us. So we can produce any food and package it just the same way as the food industry do. Okay, come on around. So this is our steam jacket vat. So this is like a great big saucepan, only filled with steam at the bottom here, so it enables us to make things like jam, chutney, soups in a matter of minutes rather than hours as you would at home. Again, the same way as the industry do, just on a smaller scale. And this is our baking oven, and again allows us to make cakes, bread, pastry, any bakery product, much quicker time than you can at home, and steam inject it as well, to give you that nice crusty surface that you want on a bread. This piece of kit here is our spray dryer, so we can spray dry products from liquids through to powders, so things like coffee, flavours, colours that are always spray dried in the industry. But this is some product again that we've made here. This is spray dried skim milk powder that our students produced only a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so back round to this side, which is probably our most popular piece of machinery, favourite bit of kit, and this actually allows us to make ice cream. So we can make Mr. Whippy style cream, or we can make the traditional solid type ice cream, and the students love it, especially for product development. Any flavour, any colour, you make it how you want it. And here's actually some the students have made here. And again, absolutely delicious. Yum. Lovely. So that's just a range of some of our products we've made, some of the equipment we have. You get to make many more as well, things like cider, sausages, fish cakes, any products, chocolate. Okay, you name it, we can make it in here. So I hope you'll come and join me over the course of the next few years at NTU. Come and enjoy this space with me and have a fantastic time to make some of these wonderful products.